How to find routing number on the Bank of America using the app. The first things first is logged in through the Bank of America application using your user ID and password, and as well as the two authentication factors for you to be able to successfully log in. Now it's very easy and quick. Once you're on your dashboard, all you have to do is to tap on your checking account, and if you scroll all the way down, there is going to be an option right there which is going to be stating all your account information. With there, you should be able to see your account number and as well as your current routing number. Now, if you're having any issues on locating those information, you can definitely go with the bankofamerica.com's official website and you should be able to see the specific number for you to be able to contact Bank of the America customer service. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you're able to find your routing number using the Bank of America application.